Hi everyone. This is the exemption between ACCA and also CMA. Exemption under MOU between the Institute of Cost Accountants of India and Association of Certified Chartered Accountants of India, that is ACCA UK. Earlier, the MOU signing have been done in 9th of August. This is the exemption details, which papers you will get exemption, we will get to know. If you are a CMA pursuing ACCA qualification, after completing a CMA, you can pursue ACCA qualification with these exemptions. First exemption is regarding ACMA or FCMA. If you are a ACMA or an FCMA with 5 years of work experience, if you have 5 years of work experience, you will get exemption in 9 papers out of 13 papers in ACCA. You have to qualify 4 papers to get the ACCA qualification. What are the 4 papers? These are the 4 papers. First one is Strategic Business Leader and second one is Strategic Business Reporting. This is the 2 papers, and remaining 2 you can select it from here. This 4 papers you can select. Out of this 4 papers you can select 2 papers to qualify ACCA. What are the 4 options available here? Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Auditing and Assurance, Advanced Taxation, Advanced Performance Management. In this 4 you can select 2 papers. This is how you will get exemption if you have more than 5 years of work experience. Another exemption is for if you are a CMA passed finalist and ACMA with less than 5 years of work experience. If you have 5 years of less than 5 years of work experience, you will get 7 paper exemption out of 13 papers in ACCA. You have to write 6 papers to get ACCA certification. You have to get to qualify ACCA. You have to write 6 papers. This 4 papers is mandatory, and out of this 4 papers you can select 2. What are these papers? Mandatory papers are Performance Management, Audit and Assurance, Strategic Business Leader, Strategic Business Reporting. These are the 4 papers you have mandatorily write, and out of this 4, Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Auditing and Assurance, Advanced Taxation, Advanced Performance Management. Out of these 4 you can select or choose 2 papers. This is how a CMA can pursue ACCA with this MOU. And also, if you are an ACCA member who is pursuing CMA qualification under 2016 syllabus, this syllabus is going on now, they will get 14 paper exemption. In our syllabus we have 20 papers. Out of this 14 papers exemption will get to ACCA members. They have to write only 6 papers. Which are the 6 papers? In intermediate they have to write direct taxation and also indirect taxation, paper 7 and paper 11. And in final they have to write corporate law and compliance, that is paper 13, direct tax laws and international taxation, paper 16, and also indirect tax laws and practice, paper 18, and cost and management audit, paper 19. These are the 6 papers they have to write to pursue CMA qualification after ACCA regarding this MOU. And ACCA member, this is important, ACCA member shall be exempt from computer training, communication and soft skill training, beside the exemption from practical training requirement. Practical training is required, but these 2 training are exempted. There are some note regarding CMA papers referred are based on CMA syllabus 2016. With every subsequent change in CMA syllabus, corresponding paper available for exemption. If our syllabus is changed to syllabus 2020, corresponding change will be notified. This is the summary. This is the actual paper exemptions under that MOU. So this is it. All the very best. If you pursue this course, you can do. These are the papers you have to write. These are the papers you will get exemption. Okay, share it with your friends who want to pursue SCCA, or share it with SCCA friends who want to pursue CMA. This is the MOU. They will get this benefit from our institute, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and Association of Certified Chartered Accountants UK. Thank you.